and today I have received an iPhone 6s from somebody. They say, well, first of all, it has a 4.7-inch display. It's fairly small for today's age, considering all phones are 6 inches plus. The front ear speaker, the home button with Touch ID, and the power button, the 2 volume rockers, and the mood switch. It looks fairly in good condition for 3 years. iPhone 6s, pinnacle design, probably the most sold iPhone ever. And this is the rear. This is what we want to focus on today. Okay, let me unlock. The owner said that there's something up with this rear camera. He wants to take photos, but ever since a liquid has spilled on top, it always seems to be a glare. Do you see that? This smudgy like mark. You zoom in, you see it still stays there. So there's clearly something happening on the back. As you can see, just going to that photo, it has an issue. So we're gonna have to be checking out this phone. In order to do that, we need to first power it off and slide power off. Okay, and this is the last iPhone with the headphone jack. Rest in peace, headphone jack. And there's the loudspeaker, the charging port. Well, it has a bit of dirt and wear and tear due to age, so I'll also give it a nice good cleanup along the way so it can look nice and better. Probably just to get the dust out of this, first starting by opening the 2 pentalobe screws at the bottom and cleaning there on, you'll see in the video. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and we are just gonna begin. Okay, so we're back, and this is the iPhone now. Cleaned the mute switch. It has so much dust and whatever in between, the side rails, also the back. Tried to clean the camera lens inside and out as much as I could. It looks clearer. Well, if it doesn't work, then we know it's an actual hardware issue. If it does work, good for that. This is the bottom. Looks much cleaner. Clean the headphone jack, the charging port, the loudspeaker was covered in a bit of dust and some other gunk. Wipe the screen down. There was all the adhesive and stuff inside here, so that was taken out. Switch switch it on and see if it made a difference. Let's see. Okay, let's go to camera. So not really of a difference, to be honest. There is a slight difference, but I think it might be a hardware issue. Not sure if the actual lens itself has been gunged out, but it looks a bit better. Let's see the difference. If there's no difference, then we know it's an actual hardware issue. Yeah, it looks like a hardware issue, to be honest, guys. Zoom in. It's not any difference. Before, after. So what I think is, let's just take a nice good look. It could be a deep scratch from the inside, or the actual camera lens itself is contaminated in some way, for what reason. Not too sure, but the phone is looking better, slightly running a bit faster.